Hi everyone, welcome to Team ET. In today's video, I'll show you the most reliable MakeMKV DVD rip method available in 2026. After that, you can get your movies onto a Plex or Jellyfin server without losing a single pixel of quality. Before we jump into the DVD to MKV tutorial, it's worth noting that MakeMKV may sometimes struggle to identify the real main title among multiple fake ones on protected DVDs, and it only outputs MKV files. If the method shown in the video doesn't work for your disc, or if you need more flexible playback options, you may want to look for an alternative DVD ripper that can decrypt DVDs and convert them to MKV MP4 or other formats. In the description below, I've listed the good alternative to MakeMKV if you'd like to rip your new DVDs to more formats here. In this MakeMKV tutorial, I'll skip the fluff and walk you through the professional way to digitize your DVD collection. First, you'll need an optical drive. A basic $20 USB DVD drive will do the job, though a high-speed internal drive can offer faster and more stable ripping. Next, visit MakeMKV.com to download MakeMKV. It's widely considered the gold standard because it doesn't re-encode your video. It simply remuxes the content, preserving the original DVD quality while saving it as a digital file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, and you're ready to begin. Here is a pro tip that most people miss. MakeMKV is technically free while in beta, but it requires a beta key to unlock all features. I've put a link in the description to the official forum where they update this key every month. Just copy that key, go to Help, then Register, and paste it in. Now your software is fully licensed and ready to rip. First, insert your DVD disc into the optical drive, and MakeMKV will show the disc information, including the type, name, protection like CSS/CPPM, the disc size, etc. Before we start the DVD ripping with MakeMKV, you can take more control over the settings here, where you can change the destination. Then you can go back to the main interface and click this large optical drive icon in the center of MakeMKV interface. The software will scan the disk's structure, which may take a minute or two depending on your drive and disk condition. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of titles on the left. Here is the most important rule. Ignore the dozens of tiny files. Those short clips, often just a few megabytes or a couple of minutes long, are usually menus, trailers, or fake titles used for copy protection. Instead, look for the largest file, usually several gigabytes in size. That's your actual movie. Click the little arrow next to the main title to expand its details. By default, MakeMKV selects everything, all audio tracks, and all subtitle languages. While this works, it often creates a cluttered file with tracks you'll never use. Leave the video track checked. MakeMKV does not re-encode video, so the quality remains exactly the same as the original DVD. Make sure you check the 5.1 surround soundtrack for the best audio experience. You can uncheck commentary tracks or foreign language audio track to keep the file clean. Then only check the subtitles you actually need, such as the forced subtitles or your preferred language. Leaving all subtitle tracks enabled will just add unnecessary data. Once you've finalized your selections, choose an output folder again if you are going to save the rips in other destination. For best performance, I recommend saving the file to a local SSD rather than an external drive. Now click the MakeMKV button and let the ripping process begin. MakeMKV keeps things simple. It doesn't offer many advanced tweaking options, but that's also why it's easy to use and beginner-friendly. The process typically takes 13 to 20 minutes, depending on your optical drive and the condition of the disk. When you see the Copy Complete message, the job is done. You've just completed a lossless DVD to MKV conversion. Open the file in your media player right away. If everything looks and sounds right here, the file will play perfectly on your media server or any modern device. Now, a quick heads up. These lossless files can range from 4 to 7 gigabytes each. If storage space is a concern, you can compress the file afterward using Handbrake. But for the ultimate home cinema experience, the raw MKV file is still the way to go. One last troubleshooting tip. If a rip fails partway through, it's usually due to disk read errors or complex copy protection that MakeMKV can't fully handle. On some protected DVDs, MakeMKV may even struggle to identify the real main title among multiple decoys. Before giving up, gently wipe the disc with a microfiber cloth and try again. Minor fingerprints or tiny scratches are often enough to cause red errors. If the problem persists, consider using an alternative DVD ripper like WinX DVD Ripper. It offers stronger error tolerance and advanced disk structure handling. You don't need any additional converter programs or complicated settings. Links will automatically copy the DVD in the best video quality. If you're interested, check the download link in the description and give it a try. That's it for today's MakeMKV DVD rip tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer as soon as possible. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when I upload more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.